here I show all the code till Redux-Thunk. And first I show my branch, which branch I have working. This is the branch name, and you can check by first I clear git branch. This is the branch, implement Redux-Thunk ReactJS, and in package.json file I use this for Redux-Thunk. This is the important, this is the middleware Redux-Thunk. And now if I go, this is the API, this is the base URL, and for app.js file you can check, there is the, this is the whole code. And index.js file, for helper there is no change in helper.js file. Context folder I write two context, first auth, this is related to authentication like sign up, login and logout, and last I write action type for message, reset message, and this is the action, auth action. I refactor the code, window kf, sorry, undo kf. If I am using Mac and my keyboard is not a Mac keyboard, I using Dell, so for refactoring our code use window plus key plus F. And this is registration action type, this is for validation, dispatch request, in try catch first check mail already exists or not, then remove this console, and again check the data. Here this is related for post, I send the data in as a payload and form data. Okay, if check response is 200 then this, otherwise failure, so pass dispatch this. And for empty the whole form I first simply check this payload.formRef is true, other or payload.formRef.current, then this functionality is done. Otherwise you facing some error if you not put this condition inside. And in catch for reducer, here I write all the reducer, first the state, first refactor the code, this is the initial state, and here or the reducer, this is for registration. Now for login, this is the login, remove the console here, for logout, and last for clear. Similarly reducer, this is for login, this is for logout, and last clear message. Similarly in user context, this is the all context related to getting details, updating and deleting account, all the action type here. For update user detail action type, and for delete user account, similarly in reducer, this is the whole reducer. for setting details, update details, and last for delete account. And now it's time for all the component. This is the dashboard component. You can check there is less amount of code if you use other middleware. This is for home. And for login, this is the extra Axios. Now for navbar, this is for profile. Remove also this extra code, there is no need of callback, so remove. This is the form. Or language. For hobbies, gender, and for DOB, and last for bio. And last component is register. Remove extra code from here also. Form, last export. Now this is the whole code till Redux-Thunk. Thank you.